Hi everybody, welcome to Attingham Park. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this, so please bear with me. I'll give you a tour around the dairy farm. So first of all, we have some buildings. I've removed the one building because the tractor wouldn't fit in. That was the workshop, so the one on the right here I removed and put an outside workshop. We've got a few implements. Haven't got everything yet that we needed, but it's just the start. So further on down here I've purchased some straw and hay bales. I've also got some silage so I can do some total mix for when the dairy cattle get here. Haven't arrived yet, so hopefully they'll be here soon. Also going to get the strimmer out and tidy this area up. So work I've already done so far. We've harvested this field here, it just needs baling. So that was wheat which we've put into the silo. We've got a bit more storage around here with a few more implements, and then further on down here are the silage bales that I purchased, compactors, plough, and my silage that's fermenting. See it over in a minute. To my right is the cow shed, milk tank, a few more implements. And then carrying on up here we have the silos. As I says, we've already put the wheat in the silos. They're to our left now. And I need to get some diesel for that tank that's over there. So I need to sort that on the next time. So around the corner here, as you'll see, I've already mowed and baled this field. I will show you some speeded up clips of what I've done to bring you up to date. So without waiting around too long, we should in a minute go into those clips. I don't have any script on this, I'm just talking as I go. Never done it before, so a little bit nervous. Okay, enjoy. Welcome back. I have played Attingham Park before on the Xbox on FS19. I then just played the BGA just as it came. So this time I thought I'd give it another go, but this time on the PC. There's a few more mods out there so you can be a little bit more adventurous. I've only installed a couple at the moment to see how it goes. So I've got the enhanced animal pack installed. Might try some goats instead of sheep. Attingham Park is one of my favourite maps, mainly because I live quite close to it, probably about 5 miles away. And I started off with medium and large tractors because, to be honest, around Shropshire I've never seen a tractor that small. Most of them are as big as an house. So in a few minutes we'll move on into another speeded up clip and a little bit more music again. hopefully it doesn't bore you too much. it's back for the final time. We'll slow it down a bit, go and get some straw bales in and call it quits. I'm not going to continually talk over this, I'll just let it play with the music. Okay, thanks for watching for those that have watched. Bye for now.